Alright, so these are the handlebars that I took off. And these are the ones that I'm going to use. I've measured already the difference from here going through and to where the hole's at. On this one, it has it here in the middle. And I need to extend these wires here 11 inches each. So I'm going to use Super 33 electrical tape, the heat shrink from Lowe's, some wire cutters, 18 gauge wire from Walmart, and I'll probably be extending these like somewhere in the middle so that the ends are still gonna have these colors. Just in the middle they'll be black. And I am gonna delete these lights. I'm not gonna have lights up here anymore. So to take these off, it's a T25. I got this to cut some of the shrink wrap. Obviously you're gonna need wire cutters for this, a pick for miscellaneous, and also I think you need a pick to take this off here. That's a T25. I'll probably be cutting off these grips because I'm going to put new grips. I'm just going to make a time-lapse footage on most of this, so that's why I'm explaining this now. And then I'm going to use these connectors here that have the solder already in the middle, and a cheap gas station lighter. Well, that took a lot longer than I thought. I got one wire done, and it's gonna be the only wire on the left side because I'm not gonna be running this again. The light, I'm gonna do something else with that. So I guess I could just put this into the new handlebar with this switch housing and the switches and the grip, and then I'd be able to have one side done and then work on the other one. The other one's the one with the electronic throttle and with more wires. So I decided to do the easy side first. So let's continue here. I finished this wire here, extending it. So what I did is, I don't know if you can see it in the time lapse. I cut it here. Well, I cut it like here, here, here. I staggered all the places that I cut. And the original wire, I shoved it into the heat shrink and just shrunk it down to make this wire a little more thin and easy to pass through the bars. Even though I don't have meat hooks and I don't have that like sharp turn, it still makes it easier to deal with. And then all the places where I extended, well, you could kind of feel where the joints are, but that's all underneath the tape. And then the tape ends here. And then that's just the original vinyl wrap. So this one's done. Now, those T-bars that were on my Road King, those are not original. So this is actually, I think that's the dog making noise. I think this is long enough. I'm gonna measure it right now, and if it works, I'm gonna just run the wire and I won't have to extend this one. So I measured it and I have a good like 6 inches sticking out of the bottom there. So I'm not gonna extend it. So I'm gonna put the camera back here on my tripod and I'll do some more time-lapse footage from here to finish that side. Alright, here's a tip to help you put the wire through, or the string, shoelace, whatever you're using. I'm using a piece of cooking twine, or like yarn. Put this down here. Alright. Alright. Just get this. Just loosely wrap it around your finger. Then just leave a little bit. Take your finger out and keep this, you know, like, don't get it tangled. Film over here. Just put that in the hole. And then just hold on to this piece of string. There it is. That easy. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Got the wiring done, and I did get rid of these lights, but I do need the harness and the connector, because so I'll be installing these. Thanks for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. See you guys next time.